Welcome to Metallurgical Academy, friends. Today we would like to discuss the problem based on dislocation dissociation reaction. Here B1 is equal to B2 plus B3 question was given. Here B1 is dissociated into B2 plus B3. Here B1 was A by 2 0 1 bar 1 is equal to B2 A by 6 1 2 1 plus A by B3 A by 6 1 bar 1 bar 2. Here B1 was given, B2 was given, B3 was given. We need to find whether this dislocation dissociation is possible or not. For dislocation dissociation is feasible or not, we need to find two steps. The first thing is it should be vectorically equal, means left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. Left side of xyz values are equal to the right side of the xyz values, then only it is vectorically feasible. First of all, we should check whether this dislocation dissociation is vectorically feasible or not, these x values. For B1 it is 0 1 bar 1, means first 0 by 2. This 0 by 2 is equal to this B2 plus B3 first x component. Here A by 6 means 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6 plus here 1 bar by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 6 is equal to 0 by. So here x component is 0 is equal to 0. So it is satisfied. Next check for y component. Here minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to the here 2 by 6, 2 bar by 6 minus 2 by 6, here minus 1 by 6, here 2 by 6 plus minus 1 by 6. It will come also minus 1 by 2 divided by, is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here minus 2 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6 is minus 3 by 6. Minus 3 by 6 is minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by left side of the equation is minus 1 by 2 and right side of the equation also minus 1 by 2. So this is also y component is vectorically equal. So coming to the z component, here we have 1 by 2. Left side of the equation is 1 by 2 is equal right side 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So it is also vectorically favorable. Here the first step was completed. We need to do another thing to find out the feasibility of this dislocation reaction, that is whether the energy is in the decreasing order or not. We need to know. After satisfying these two conditions, then only this is vectorically feasible and energetically feasible. So the dislocation dissociation is feasible. For that, we need to check whether the energy should be in decreasing order from B1 to B1 should be greater than to B2 plus B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. That is B1 square should be greater than equals to B2 square plus B3 square. If it is satisfies this, then only this dislocation reaction was feasible. Otherwise it is not feasible. For finding B1 square, this is B1 component, B2 component, B3 component. For finding B1 square is equal to the a square by 4. First of all, square this term a by 2. If we square it, then we will get a square by 4. A square by 4. Then square the each individual component, xyz components, and sum those all. 0 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square. Then we have B1 square is equal to a square by 2. Like this, same you need to do for B2 square plus B3 square. B2 square was If we do square for this term, b2 square will be a square by 36. A square by 36 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 means 6. 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square is equal to a square by 6. Like that we need to do for a b3. Here a by 6 square was a square by 36 into minus 1 square minus 1 square 2 square. This is also minus 1 square minus 1 square 2 square will be a square by 6. Here we need to do this b2 square plus b3 square should be less than this b1 square. Then only this is energetically favorable. So for this we have b1 square is equal to a2 square by 2 is greater than b2 square plus b3 square. b2 square was a square by 6 plus b3 square was a square by 6. Here a square by 6 plus a square by 6, 2a square by 6, then we will get a square by 3. A square by 2 greater than equals to a square by 3. So here from here to here energy is decreasing, 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 3. So it is also satisfying b1 square is greater than b2 square plus b3 square. So it is energetically also favorable. So this dislocation dissociation is possible in this case. Thank you for watching, friends. If you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe Metallurgical Academy YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.